Hey, welcome back. This is a totally different video. It's related, but it's not really related to some point, but it's still related. So anyways, hello YouTubers. This is Filipino Reefer. We're bringing a new video today, and this is what I just purchased at Amazon today. I will be I'll be using this for a lot of my video capturing, and hopefully hopefully it's gonna be better than what I have now. So what is this? As you see, it's a Movo VXR10 Plus. It's a complete smartphone video kit. As you see, it has universal video microphone, adjustable mini tripod, universal smartphone grip, and a battery-free operation. So I just got it today. Movo creators wanted. Let's just see what's in the box. Video microphone, extension tube, mini tripod, smartphone grip handle, wrist strap, and a furry wind screen. It's cool to see that it has a 2-year warranty. Again, I just got it today. Basically, I purchased this on Amazon so I can have a better tool, somewhat of a better tool for video editing. Not video editing, video capturing with video and audio. So nothing fancy. I believe this is about $100 or less. I should see brand new, or I think it's brand new. You never know what happens when you buy something from Amazon. Anywho, I'm gonna open it up. Let's see what's in here. Maybe there's a gold bar in here, or maybe there's something in here. Just kidding. Anyways, it's easy. It's the instructions. This is the instruction right here. I'm not gonna look at that. I'm just gonna chuck this aside. I like the pretty case. It's pretty cool. This case reminds me of the CDR disc, CD-ROM, not CD-ROM, the CD disc. So it reminds me of the holder for the disc. So it's not too bad, not too bulky, just right. It's pretty cool. I like it. Now we're gonna open it up and zip. See what's going on. Okay, just as what the box says on the front, it comes with a, let me see, it comes with a furry windshield, which is big. Ooh, this is pretty cool. I feel like I'm a news reporter now. Well, actually, I feel like I can record properly now with my for my saltwater reef tank video. I think this is the extension tube. That's pretty cool. So we're gonna try and put that together in a few seconds. This is the mini tripod that comes with it. So yeah, and I believe this is what you screw in here. Let's see, so maybe we can put it together now. We can screw this thing together here, like that. Well, basically what I'm going to be using this is mainly for my reefing video. So that's the reason why I got this. Not much for other things, but for reefing. And also the reason why I bought this is, this is really cool. This is really cool. Little ball joint, and then here to screw it tight. I'm gonna be using this for the Reefapalooza, in addition to my daily video editing, capture editing. I don't even know what this is for now. This is the mic holder. Maybe I slide it here. There you go. That's pretty cool. Oh, I see it. So you slide it in the slot right here. You see, a little amateur newbie like me trying to know how to figure crap out. That's really cool. I like it. This is for grip. So if I don't want to hold it, I guess I'm gonna put it here. This is a tripod, by the way, so I can just stand it. And here's a little grip. Let me see. That's really cool, man. I like the texture of this product. It's pretty sweet, though I don't know how to screw it in. So I don't know if this goes here, or maybe I have to screw this one out. There you go. Yep. So yep, I gotta unscrew the tripod, and then I can screw this one in. So when I go to Reefapalooza next month at the end of June, I can just use this instead. Tighten this up the way whatever I want to tighten it up to. Put my phone, which I'm currently using now, so I'm not going to be able to do that. Now let's unzip this over here and look at the mic. So in this case, this is a 35 millimeter plug. I don't have that for my phone because my phone is an iPhone. Ah, pretty cool. This is for the mic. Has a label for the mic. Ah, this is very nice. It has a label where this goes to the smartphone and this goes to the actual mic. This is really cool. I like this already. And here, I guess if you look at this already, it's pretty much the same thing. This goes to the phone and this goes to the mic. It's really cool. I have the adapter. I'm gonna have to use an adapter here. I'm gonna have to use this Apple adapter because I have a different socket and I don't have the 35 millimeter plug on my phone. So I'm gonna plug this in. Let me see. I'm gonna plug this straight into my phone, to the adapter like this. Plug this to the phone. And I don't know where. It's just a regular wristband. I'm not gonna use that. There's a spring in here. I'm not sure what the spring is for. Maybe something broke. I hope not. But there's a spring in there, so I don't know. I'm confused. Anyways, I'm not gonna make that a big deal. But maybe I'm missing something, or maybe I'm not. I'm not sure what this is for. I don't see in the box what I could put here. Maybe I could put something at the back like the tripod. I don't know. It fits, so maybe that's how it works. Okay. One cool thing about this is it has a level, so you know if the way you're holding it is straight or not. It's crooked, so that's pretty cool. Let me see. I'm like all over the place right now. Let's see where the mic is. The mic goes, I guess this is the mic. I don't even know where the mic is. It says it comes with the mic, so I don't know. The mic is not here. Now let's take this out. Ah, you see? The mic is already inside the furry. This is the mic. The mic is already inside the furry windscreen. So you put it in here, put it back. Now I gotta figure out where I'm gonna put this. Am I gonna put this here like that, just like at the picture says? I'm gonna have to snap it. How do I snap it in? So I gotta snap it in here inside. Yes, Baba. Okay. Very good. Thank you for helping, Daddy. So I'm gonna have to do is like this. Put it here. And oh, very good, Baba. Hold on. So what I'm gonna try to do now is just plug the mic in and see if you hear any difference. Hello, hello. So it's plugged in. Hello, how are you? Can you hear me? How do you like my video? Thumbs up if you like the video, thumbs down if you don't. If you haven't subscribed to my channel and you're new to my channel, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are up to date to my new recent videos. Anyways, that's just to test it out. I'm gonna leave it plugged in and then I'm gonna listen to it and see how it goes. Test mic 1 2. Again guys, thanks for watching my video. Hopefully this helps with you buying this product. Again, I bought this on Amazon, so hopefully it's worth a buy for $100. I will be using this for my future streaming videos and other cool stuff that I want to do and use it for, and also will be using it for the Reefapalooza. Until then, thank you so much for your time. If you have any comments down below, if you have anything to say, just leave down the comments below, and here I am rambling, and let me know what's going on. Until then, stay safe, be safe, talk to you later.